reservoir and then your dirty reservoir. So each holds about 4 liters of water, so that's a total of 8, so great. That's why I love it. So you just connect the two, the tube here into the filter. So that filter lasted me all summer, and just in time for a new one come next year. So let's take it to the water and we'll go fill it up. So just have to fill it up. Scoop it up. And there you have it. That's how I get my water in the backcountry. Gets filtered and goes into the clean reservoir. And when that's full, that gets hung up there, ready to use whenever I need it. Love it. Good product by Platypus. Stormy Bay, Restoule Provincial Park. Just boiled some water. Now I'm gonna make some coffee. Just beautiful here. I have this all to myself. It's the last campsite before the dam. That's why it shows it. And because I can get sunset and sunrise views. So I'm just gonna make my coffee here. My absolute favorite time of the day. Almost good. Good morning. It's finally stopped raining. Didn't really catch a good sunrise this morning because it's been cloudy and it has been raining nonstop, 24 hours almost. All day yesterday it rained. Did manage to get a paddle out to the dam that's just on the other end, down that way. But that was about it. I wanted to do a hike, wanted to paddle around and see what I could explore. So that really didn't happen because it poured. It really rained a lot. So I was pretty bored yesterday. Almost went home, thought about it, but by the time I did start to think that way, it was already getting late and I didn't want to be rushed and paddle in the dark. So I decided to wait it out. So pretty excited to head out right now. Everything is wet, so I'll have to get home and dry it all out, clean everything up. But this place was stunning. Definitely would come back here. Provincial Park, Restoule Provincial Park, Site 18. Good one. Peace out. I'm not sure if you can see the vibrancy of the colors of the leaves. I don't think it's going to do it justice. You should see it. It's just beautiful. Deciduous mixed in with the conifers. They just pop against the evergreens. Just gorgeous. Besides all the rain, it was a good trip. Definitely need to be back. There's the bluff. It's about 60 meters straight out of the water. And the tower there. Don't know if you can see it. Right there. I'm just gonna do the hike, but it's a 2-hour hike, and I just want to go home now. I'm exhausted, and I need a shower, and I'm starving. So it's that way.